Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by detangling and dividing hair into workable sections so product reaches every strand. Use 1-2 pumps or roughly 1/2 teaspoon for each medium section. Heavier hair needs more. Apply to damp or dry hair depending on the Curlmix formula you're using, rubbing between palms to emulsify. Once done, work product from roots to ends with fingers or a wide tooth comb to distribute evenly. This prevents buildup and ensures every curl pattern receives moisture and slip. Now you'll sculpt and define. Take small subsections and either rake product through for volume or finger coil for definition depending on your desired texture. Layering matters. Start with a lightweight leave-in or curl cream to hydrate, then seal with a denser cream or butter for hold and shine. Make sure to smooth product onto the cuticle to reduce frizz. If you choose heat, diffuse on low, otherwise let hair air dry without touching to lock in pattern and reduce frizz. Finish by fluffing gently at the roots and applying a small amount of oil or serum to seal ends and boost shine. Avoid overloading the mid-lengths. Make sure to sleep on satin to preserve the style. If curls feel weighed down, clarify with a gentle shampoo and follow with a deep conditioner because scalp buildup blocks moisture. One key troubleshooting tip: if flakes appear, stop layering heavy butters, clarify once, then restore with a lightweight leave-in to rebalance hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.